Fry some Italian fried chicken?
Oh,
Shani,
but I really like fried chicken.
No?
No. But I can make a real good lasagna.
You could call your brother and let him make me some pesto. Good morning,
You've been
Shani.
talking a lot, right, about the pesto. I heard you guys, right? No, our guest is a true testament of Steve's words. Shani Jaja has spent decades as a leading marketer of several major companies. However, she recently decided to invest in her natural ability to paint, starting her own business, Morning Glory Arts.
You know that song that plays on the radio that goes, Morning Glory?
Oh no, I thought it was morning
You
has
need to
broken.
use that for
Okay.
you.
She's like, no. Shani,
How
hi.
did you get to that name?
Well, you know, I started painting in 2017, around October, and it was literally an inspiration from God. I was never trained, never liked art when I was doing, when I went to school. So I'm not technically trained to be an artist. And this is why I believe that the Lord has placed this gift in me.
Whoa.
And I woke up one morning with just this overwhelming excitement and urge to paint. And I went out and I got all the supplies. And I came back and I put on my praise and worship music. And I just started to paint. And I spent hours painting. And at the end, when I stopped and I looked at what I had done, I marveled at God's amazing grace and his, you know, just how he was able to do that. Because it really wasn't me. It really was the inspiration that he has placed in me that I was able to now manifest in the physical form.
Oh,
And Morning Glory is actually the meaning of my name. So my full name is Shani Dasita Burhan Jaja.
I feel like we must get paid.
And my name means marvelous, morning glory, gift of God.
Oh,
See, I didn't even understand the importance of my name until that point. When I started to think about, okay, well, what name am I going to give to this business? Because it's a representation of who I was. And so the Lord really brought it back to when I was born and the name that I was given. And what best way to represent my talent than through the name that I've been given.
Wow. When did you realize that you could make a profit from this?
You know, it was never about making a profit. It was more about pursuing a purpose and not a passion.
Okay.
There is a quote that I came across recently that says that you're not called to a job, title, or career. You're called to a purpose that can encompass all of those things. And so for me, this business is really about fulfilling my purpose, utilizing the talents that I believe God has placed in me to really bring light to the world, to really impact lives, and to show that, you know, God is infinite. He is creative. He is diverse. It's not about, you know, the title. I know a lot of persons know me as a marketer because for over 18 years that has been my profession and still is. But what the Lord has allowed me to do is use the talents that I have honed in the area of corporate and in the area of marketing to apply it to other talents that he has also blessed me
this
with.
one.
Right.
Absolutely.
How has your marketing background aided in your business, Morning Glory?
Well, of course, you know, I'm a marketer, so I immediately when I thought about this thing being greater than just a hobby, I clicked into my marketing headspace. And so developing the business plan, developing the marketing plan, I was able to create the social media pages and do a full marketing plan that would establish what the brand would look like, the design of the logo, the name, how do I communicate the brand sentiments and the brand purpose, and also with the design of the website.
Okay.
So everything from content to creation to design,
The marketing came.
my marketing expertise came into, you know, full utilization.
It helped to
there.
propel this
Absolutely.
business right now.
Absolutely.
Speaking about propelling your business, what's your vision for Morning Glory?
My vision for Morning Glory Arts is really to bring light, hope, inspiration, and faith to persons across the world. So art is so diverse that it can be applied in multiple forms. Currently we're doing abstract art and we're doing abstract art on canvas, but there's a vision that I have to not only create the physical canvas artwork, but for it to far extend to home decor, for it to far extend to a philanthropic side of it, which allows us to now go into children's home, go into schools, and really
Share
bring
art
that
with them.
talent to them and help them to also unearth their talents. In December, I actually did a project with We Transform, which is a project under the Ministry of National Security, and in partnership with Christine Haber International Ministries. And we went into the children's correctional facility and we did a paint and inspire session. And through that paint and inspire session, I taught them 4 things to think of on 4 things: hope, faith, love, and joy. And when you think of these 4 things, paint. And whatever it is that comes to you when you think of these words, that is what is going to manifest on the canvas. Because I wanted to show them that it's not about what the other person can paint. You're not trying to be like someone else. You are trying to bring out whatever the Lord has placed within you, because what is inside of you is so much greater than you believe and so much greater than you give yourself credit for. And when they were finished, it was so inspiring what they were able to produce. And some of the girls said, "But miss, this don't look good." And I said, "Do you look good?" She said, "Well, yes, miss." I said, "Well, this came from you. So therefore, it is beautiful. And you should admire it and you should celebrate it and celebrate the gifts that you have received, because it's unique to you. And you're not called to be like anyone else. You're called to really shine a light on your talents, the creativity that is inside of you, the uniqueness of who you are, so that you can really bring joy and inspiration to this world."
That's what's inspiring. So if they got what we got out of it, then they got a lot.
I'm sure they're touched.
Where can we get your art? Because I notice you work in a lot of different mediums, so I can't even say it's one thing or another, but where can we get your inspired art?
So you can visit the website, which is Morning Glory Arts.
That you marketed so well.
morninggloryarts.com, or you can send an email to my middle name, which is Dasita, DASSITA, at morninggloryarts.com. Or you can visit us on our social media pages. So we're on Instagram as well.
All right. Whew.
Morning
Go
Glory.
out, do that. Get your inspiration on. Founder and creative director of Morning Glory Arts, Shani Jaja.
Yes. On the other side of the break, restaurant owner yes. Sian Bramwell shares the secrets to cashing in on the restaurant business.
That doesn't sound like food.
I'm sure we'll get something too.
Food
We'll be back.
Okay.